What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you guys a couple of the parts that we got in the mail. So we got our e-brake handle, our hydro handbrake. So we got that in the mail. We also got our shift box, like I was telling you, that bolts our shifter to the shift box. So we got that, and then we also have our plate. So this plate, our shifter sits on top of this box, and then our handbrake will sit like literally right there. So it's pretty dope. Just want to show y'all that before we head off on do what we have to do for today. So let's head out and let's go get these knuckles finished, and then we're gonna get the rotors and all that, test fit them onto the knuckles. Whisper, 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 whisper. We've already went through by installing the clips that we had to install. We ain't got the lower ball joint with the clip in as well. So we put on the disc brake, or the shield for the rotors, and I have the rotors in the car. We're really about to go to lunch right now, but I broke down the hydro handbrake. I broke that down so we could add this new Willwood brake assembly. And then we have our shifter that we got to put onto the plate. We're just going to test fit everything once I get this all together. But like I said, we're going to lunch. So once we come back from lunch, I'll show you what we did to the brake calipers. We're actually about to paint them red because you saw the color that they were. So I sanded them down, got them all primed up, and then we're going to paint them red. I've already disassembled our hydro brake. I got the little punch out, because the threading on this punch is different, so it won't go into this. So I take this punch out and I put it into this one, so that way it'll screw in and you can still push it in. So watch, still push it in. So it's all good. Just change out the little screw. That's it. But let me show you what Angel's actually doing for me, and fucking lovely for this, bro. It's just dope. So we painted these calipers. He painted them for me. Yeah. See, I was just gonna fucking just paint them, but they went all professional on it. So I just wanted them to just look a little bit better than what the hell the junkyard had them. These are Nissan fucking brake calipers. I didn't even know that. Came on a CRV. What the fuck? These shit's gonna look good, especially with those wheels I bought. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna buy some brembo stickers. Buy some brembo stickers to slap on there. Should you only use one can?
Not even half a can.
Damn, I knew I shouldn't have bought that other fucking can. The things were fucking $10 a pop. Yes, sir. Look at that. So we got our shifter and our hydro handbrake all on one plate. Yes, sir. That looks clean, bro. It's a Willwood. Yeah. Can't wait to get this in the car. I'm not gonna lie. So let's put our hubs in here. Our hubs, get our rotors and test fit it on with the new red CRV brake calipers and see if everything matches up. If it does, then we're gonna send that. That'll be perfect. Alright, so we got these damn calipers all painted up. Everything's all put together. I tested the rotor and the calipers on already. Don't want to show you guys until we get it on the car. And this thing's all done, so let's go put everything in the car, take it over, put it on the Civic. I really need to work on that car, man. I'm just not being lazy, but I'm just trying to get the Honda done. But I know a guy that wanted to buy that car. He's really waiting for me to get done with that car. So tomorrow I'll probably come up here, knock that out, put the axle in, put the thermostat in, get that all running, all good. That way we can get that sold, so we can use that money to possibly build our transmission. I was gonna buy that red vet that they have here, but I don't think I'm gonna buy that anymore. I think I'm gonna use that money that I was gonna put towards the vet and just build my transmission, build my transfer case. That way we can go fast. Because if we don't, things getting bad. So right now I'm just packing all my stuff up. Let's go get our shifter for the Honda. As I said, the shifter's all done. All we have to do is bolt it up into the car. This thing is like beautiful. So just bolt it into the car and we'll be all good. So this thing is nice. I can't stop looking at it. K2 blade. So once we get in the car, we test fit it and all that. So let's go over to put this in the car and get the front rotors and all that on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your big brake CRV cheap poor man big brake kit, basically. So it's like what I did. Oh, I scratched it already. So what I did is I got the CRV front rotors, front brake calipers, and then I got a Mini Cooper 11-inch 280 millimeter rotor off of a 2007 base model Mini Cooper, and everything fits perfect. Nothing's rubbing. All we need is pads. I'm gonna go pick up some pads probably tomorrow, but the whole spindle's in. I just want to show y'all what that looking like. You know, that's why I wanted to get here and make sure I put it in, show y'all what it's looking like. So these are way bigger than the stocks. Look at the stock. I still got the stock sitting right here. This is a stock EX Civic, E-case Civic rotor or caliper. It's way smaller. So just want to show y'all what it looked like. They're not officially bolted in. I just got them finger tight in there right now because I gotta still get my bolts for back here for the A-arm, and then we'll be able to bolt everything in. For right now, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not ever going to put the other side in. Let's get our all-wheel drive shifter and shifter box put into the car with the e-brake handle. What it's supposed to do, it's supposed to bolt in to these original holes, and then I have to drill in 2 additional holes so that whole thing can sit in here. So let's go grab it and try to fit it in here. They give you this little piece that goes over this, and then you'll put this over that little piece, but you can put it inside too. I just, you know, do it that way. But so what we gotta do is these holes have to align. Looks like I might have to move this bracket unless I have this backwards. Oh, there we go. Okay, so put the screws in here, bolt them down. We might have to shave this bracket a little bit. I don't know. It's looking like we might have to shave it because they're aligned, but they're a little bit off. And then we have to drill our new holes. So once I get these in, I'm gonna drill my hole. All right, so I got my holes drilled. Feed the bolts. I might need to cut this carpet back some because it's kind of got it poofed up. So I might cut some of this carpet back. Other than that, I don't even know if those bolts reach in there, honestly. I gotta check them out. They might have 2 really long ones. I didn't even check to see if all of them are the same length. Those bolts at? Oh my god. One is like 2 that are like really long, and then the other ones are like normal. Yeah, they do. As you can see, these 2 are really long. So these are the ones that I'm supposed to be using. I was just thinking about that. Like, why are all these bolts the same size? So 2 of them aren't the same size. So these 2 right here aren't the same size. I gotta try to get them back out. Here you go. We got all 4 bolts bolted in. We're gonna go on the bottom and just screw these on the bottom. These are actually kind of, I made the hole just like where these have to taper into the hole, so it's gonna hold, and then all I have to do is screw the bottoms on. Let's get the bottoms on, then we can get the actual shifter onto it. This is what it looks like at the bottom. Got the 2 holes here bolted in, and then got the 2 here. This one on the left side actually was spinning when I was trying to tighten it up. I just wait till Paige is here and then she can help me, but you see it seals it off perfect. That way you ain't getting nothing in there. So we're gonna go back to the top, and then we're gonna mount our handbrake and our shifter. Oh, get my shifter right. All right, so the way that my setup works is I have this metal plate that goes here first. Goes just like that. and then my shifter sits right on top of it. Seeing I need both hands, let me get this done and I'll show you. All right, so now all I have to do is shave this off a little bit, and this will go back literally right here so we can bolt up our existing little center console. Most people just remove it. I still want it, so I'm gonna try to get it back right there or drill new holes. But this is literally the shifter right now. Let me throw this stuff over here. Yep, this is the shifter. Gotta tighten up all these bolts on here, but yeah, man, this thing's clean. I got the hydro brake. I might want this a little closer, seeing that how I sit in my bucket seat. I might try to bring this further back, but my main concern was this bottom part hitting on the wheel wood. But other than that, man, this is actually not a bad spot. So I could be like, well, I feel like it's a little too close because I can punch this here, but I don't know. I might try to re-drill the holes to get it further back, but at the same time I don't want it to hit my original e-brake either, so we'll figure this out. It's like kind of in the way of this right here too, so whoever gets passenger seat, your seat's gonna be stationary, mine's gonna be on a slider. So when I get the new sparkle seat to go over here, this is gonna be on a slider. You're gonna be on a, whoever's passenger is gonna be on a stationary. So I'm gonna apologize now because I need to be able to grab this. I might actually tilt this, adjust it here like this, and tilt it back more so where it's like right here, so I can just grab it and be like, so, yeah, we gotta start connecting this shit. Eventually we'll start connecting all this junk. Get it to come through more. Fighting with this shit. I'll get it and I'll fix it later, but eventually we're gonna get this stuff to connect onto here. But right now we still got to put the race pack in the car. I'm gonna delete the boost gauge and the air fuel ratio because that's all gonna be on my race pack. Delete this light right here as well. That's gonna be on my race pack as well, so I don't need none of that. So I might be selling the air fuel ratio and the boost gauge. If anybody's watching this and you want it, let me know now, and then, you know, once I actually get it officially pulled out, I can sell it to you. And this dash too, with this dash, not the dash, but the holder, the 2 gauge pod holders for EK. If anybody out there with EK needs that, let me know, I'll sell it to you. So our bracket is in. This is literally what I was talking about. So if you remember from the last video, this bracket here, right here is where normally the EK bolts in, and right here is where the EG bolts in. So you need this bracket when you do the all-wheel drive. You need this specific bracket. If I do go back to like an EG subframe, it still has the hole there for that. But I literally just had to buy just this bracket just to fit all that stuff in there. It was $109, but they got it to me kind of quick. The hash port mount, they got it to me quick. I bought this off of Swap Shop Racing. Go check them out. They got all your swap needs, so I'm definitely gonna slap this on the car. Even though I don't have anything hash port but that mount, I'm slapping this on the car.